Hi everybody, Mr. B here. Today we're going to be working in the cold room. I got some new tools for Christmas. I'm going to be trying out one of these tools today. I'm just going to be doing some light pruning today. I'm not going to get into anything too crazy. I've got some young azaleas here. I understand if I prune these now, there's going to be a chance for less flowers in the spring, but I'm more concerned with the overall style of the tree. I don't mind sacrificing a few flowers in order to improve the overall shape of the azalea. I'm wearing a sweatshirt today since I keep this room about 40 degrees, at least as close to 40 degrees as I can. I've got a window connected to the outside that I can open and shut depending on the outdoor temperatures, so it's a little chilly in here, but that's just what these trees need this time of year. This boxwood already has some budding farther down the branch, so I don't mind cutting it back. I prefer a shohin style, so I don't mind keeping these new cuttings real short. Anything I work on today is going to be revisited in the spring. My main focus today is just evening out the growth. Here's another azalea here. I'll likely pull these branches down in the spring, but for today I'm just going to cut them back a little bit. Here's a young rosemary. Rosemary is definitely one of my favorite edible bonsai. This cutting is naturally growing in a semi-cascade style, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to keep growing it as it is. I wish you guys could smell this. Might as well check this wire while we're here. Needs more time. Now for this elm I wired back in the summer. This can come off. I could cut this wire off, but I like to reuse it. As long as I'm careful, it's not going to damage the tree to uncoil it. The end of this branch died back a little bit, but I'm not too worried. It should develop some new buds farther back. I found this elm growing out in the backyard over the summer. The naturally exposed roots were working their way around some leaves, trying to find their way into the ground. I thought that was pretty unique, so I decided to put it into a pot. Now it just needs a lot more time for training. Here's another rosemary growing as a double trunk, at least for now. I'm not sure I'll keep it as a double trunk, but we'll see. I'm just going to shorten it down a little bit for today. Now this is a PG hydrangea. I'm not sure how well this species will train for bonsai, but that's what we're going to find out. If it doesn't work out for bonsai, I can always just plant it outside. We'll see what happens. I've been trying to find a good look for this juniper for a few years now. I've been hoping this thin little branch here would start to gain strength eventually, but it seems to just get weaker and weaker. So I'm just gonna have to come up with a plan B, I think. Eventually I'll get it to a place where I'm happy with it, but we're just not there yet. It's just too tall and skinny. I think I'll bend the lower trunk this spring. I don't know. Here's another young azalea. Looks like we can go ahead and pull this wire off. Well, I've had my phone strapped to my head now for about 15 minutes. It's actually starting to dig into my forehead, so I think I'm going to have to wrap it up here for today. Thanks for watching.